So as a chapter, let's end the chapter la. Let's do few questions from this chapter. So I'll give you few questions. Let's wind up this chapter today. Khatam kar denge aaj. Okay, so let's start with one simple question la. So show that the question is show that भर्खर थालेको सेम क्वेसन हो केही नयाँ कुरा छैन सो द्याट 2x + 7 इज अ फ्याक्टर अफ कति हो 2x³ + 5x² - 11x - 14 and completely factorize the polynomial. So try to solve this. I'll give you 7 minutes to solve this. Show that 2x + 7 is a factor of 2x³ + 5x² - 11x - 14 and completely factorize the polynomial. So मैले यो completely factorize गर्नेको चाहिँ मैले हिजो मेथड भनेको थिएँ. So how to completely factorize a polynomial? So first you need this, right? You need this is the divisor. Then you need to find the quotient. यसलाई divide गरेर quotient निकाल्नु पर्छ. Then multiply the quotient and divisor, and quotient and divisor multiply गर्यो. This divisor is in the final state, so quotient will be quadratic. So यसलाई solve गर्यो, solve this, and final answer, which should not have like any powers of x. It should simply be in terms of x, right? It should not be x³ or x². It cannot be x² or x³, something like this. So final values in terms of x will be the answer. So try to solve it. So if you think you can solve this, just mute me right now. I'll explain how to do this, okay? If you think you can do this, just mute me or just remove your headphones. So let's do this first. So if this is a factor, if this thing is supposed to be a factor of this expression, then 2x + 7 should be equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to -7, x will be equal to -7/2. So we need to substitute this in the polynomial. So we need to put this value in out here. So what you do is 2 into x³ is -7/2³ plus 5 into x² is -7/2 whole square minus 11 by -7/2 minus 14. So this will be simplified as 2 into -7 into -7 into -7 divided by 2 into 2 plus 5 into, so this will be 49 by 4 minus 11 into minus will be plus 11 into 7 by 2 minus 14. So one of the two will cancel. So this will be negative of something. So negative of 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7, 7 is 63. 28, 34, 343. 343 divided by 4 plus 49 into 5, 5 9 is 45, 5 4 is 20, 24, 245, 245 divided by 4 plus 77 divided by 2 minus 14. 343 divided by 4 plus 245 divided by 4 plus 77 by 2 minus 14. So when you calculate this, when you subtract, add all these things, you'll get 0. So which means that it is a factor. Yes, it is a factor. Show that it is a factor. So when you just take the LCM and subtract and add this, you'll get 0, right? So it is a factor. Yes, it is a factor. So this is the first part of the question. Now we need to completely factorize this expression, right? So what we do is, So we completely factorize the expression. So expression is 2x cubed plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14, and this is divided by 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. So to get 2x cubed, you multiply this with x square. 2x cubed, x square into 2x is 2x cubed plus 7x square. So this will be negative, cancel off, negative, minus 2x square, bring minus 11x down. So you need minus x. So minus 2x square, minus x into 2x is minus 2x square, minus 7x. There will be plus, this will cancel off, this will be plus, this will be 8, 9, 10, 11, minus 4x, minus 14. So to get minus 4x, you need to multiply 2x with minus 2. So minus 4x minus 14. So this will be 0. So your expression is 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7 multiplied by x square minus x minus 2. X square minus x minus 2. So this is a quadratic equation, you need to solve it. So you can either solve it by middle term breaking or just by using the formula. So in the book it's given in middle term breaking correct. So 2x plus 7 multiplied by x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So 2x plus 7, take x common, x minus 2, take 1 common, x minus 2. So 2x plus 7, take x minus 2 common as well, x plus 1. So this is your answer. So you should be getting this as your final answer.
यो मेरो आयो कि
Yes.
मैले अघि बिहान एउटा उते गर्दै थिएँ कि के भन्छ उते गर्दै थिएँ के भन्छ एक्सर्साइज गर्दै थिएँ त्यति बेला चाहिँ नि मेरो यस्तो भयो नि हाल्नुलाई उते लेख्नु त एकताल 2x स्क्वायर minus 5x minus 3 त्योलाई नि तपाईँ उते गर्नु त मिडल टर्म ब्रेक गर्नु त अगर मैले यस्तो गर्दा हुन्छ हैन यो 2 + 3 5 हुन्छ त्यसो पाराले गर्दा हुन्छ मिडल टर्म चाहिँ मिडल
एड गर्दाखेरि यो आउनु पर्छ मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यो आउनु पर्छ एड गर्दा यो आउनु पर्छ मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा यो आउनु पर्छ
2 + 3 हुन्छ
2 + 3 2 + 3 okay so let's see 2 + 3 plus 2x plus 3x minus 3 यो हुँदैन 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 किनभने you have to get minus 5x right so when you add this it will be plus 5x so यो दुईटा एड गर्दा plus 5x आउँछ so you need to get minus 5x so this is not the answer so
त्यस्तो खालके गर्नुपर्छ
त्यस्तो मिडल टर्म ब्रेक गर्न आउँदैन
आउँछ हैन मैले सोधेको अगर माइनस नै छ भने चाहिँ हामीले माइनसकै उतेमा ल्याउनु
पर्छ यस साइन लिनै पर्छ यस you have to consider the sign so add or subtract गर्दाखेरि you have to get minus 5x not 5x okay so you have to get minus 5x यो पनि you have to consider the sign when you multiply you have to get minus 6 okay so the only way you can do this is minus 6 plus 1 so 6x plus x 2x minus 6x minus 3 so when you multiply this you'll get minus 6 right so 6x into 6 into 1 minus 6 into 1 is 6 right and minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 so this is the only way you can do the middle term breaking so yeah if you take common as 2x this is 2x square so there will be x minus 3 and if you take 1 common x minus 3 so middle term breaking is successful so x minus 3 is common 2x plus 1 is left okay so middle term breaking you have to consider the sign so whatever sign you get after adding and subtracting that should be the sign final sign that you need in the answer so, did everyone get this answer okay like I can't hear you Sarah I can't hear you rejoin केही सुनेको छैन it's cracking पुरा crack हुँदैछ कुङ्गाको आयो है okay so we'll do one more la okay So the question is, using remainder theorem, factorize 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 completely. So the question is, using remainder theorem, factorize this expression completely. So I'll tell you the hints. So first take this as fx, then try putting some values of x like 0 or maybe 1 or 2. Kun value aldahiri, you'll get the remainder as 0. So that is the value where when you put the value of x, that will be when the thing will be completely factorized. So if I say x, if I get the value of x as 1, so x, bring the x to the other side, x minus 1 equal to 0. This will be the thing that will completely divide this expression. So do the same thing, x minus 1 I and a, just divide this with this fx. You'll get a quotient, multiply this and this. Okay, so x minus 1 into quotient. This quotient will be quadratic. Solve the quadratic and find the value. Okay, I'll give you, after 2 minutes I'll start solving. You guys can start solving by yourself.
मलाई क्वेसन नै देखिन.
Okay, wait. Wait la, something is happening. Yes, this is the question. Okay, now I'll solve it. If you don't want to hear the explanation, you can mute me. So let's say this to be fx. Let's assume this to be a function of x minus 2x minus 1. Now let's try putting some values of x. Let's say an x is 0, 2 into 0 plus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So 0 is not a factor. So let's try 1. So 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Therefore, this thing can be factorized. This one will give no remainder when x equal to 1, which basically means, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. So this is the first part of the question. So second part, how you do. So we know x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So we divide the factor with the quotient, with the equation, that is 2x cube plus x square. 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Minus 2x minus 1. So do the simple long division method. So x multiplied by what number will give 2x cube, that is 2x square. 2x square into x is 2x cube minus 2x square. So this will be 0. This will be positive. So it will be 3x square minus 2x will be down here. So x multiplied by what will give 3x square? It is 3x. So 3x square minus 3x. So this will cancel off. This will be positive. So 2 is x minus 1. So x minus 1 times. So x minus 1 is giving you 0. So this thing simplifies as x minus 1 into quotient, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is the thing that you get. Now you need to simplify this. So what is the expression? X minus 1 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So now you can do the middle term breaking again. So 2x square plus 2x plus x plus 1. So when you add you get 3, when you multiply you get 2. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So x minus 1, take 2x common, x plus 1 plus 1 common, x plus 1. So x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 is common here, x plus 1 is common, so 2x plus, so answer is x minus 1, x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So if you got this answer, you are correct. This is the answer. Done? Did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone else? Kunga Sneha, did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Kunga answer आया? Vedika?
I know.
Okay.
I answer.
Okay. So we'll do one more question, one more from this chapter, then we are done with this chapter. We'll wind it up. We are done with this chapter. So I'd given you homework, right? Question number 2 got all the 5 questions. So did you solve this? Very simple questions. So the next question is, if x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. Number 1, find p. Factorize the expression completely.
Yeah, jam rakhthyo question.
So this is exactly from your example question, example number 16, page number 111. So that tells a lot about where you get your exam questions from. Okay, so rather than solving the exercise problems, so what teacher like के सजिलो हुन्छ भने, so teacher find it easy when the solution is given to them. So most probably they'll give you questions from the example.
उयो थियो ICSE थियो.
This is not ICSE.
अरु maximum of the question ICSE बाट दिएको थियो त्यो सरले.
No, though these two are the only possibilities, either from the examples where it is solved or ICSE questions. So that is the only two possibilities. They'll not go through the exercise and give questions from the exercise. त्यत्रो time छैन तिनीहरुकोमा. So the best way to crack this kind of exams is just practice the previous year's questions. That's it. So okay, I'll solve it now. If you, again same thing, if you don't want to hear the solution, just mute me. Yes, भन.
जानेन भने बरु बादमा गर्दिनु न, अहिले नगर्दिनु.
के चाहिँ?
यो क्वेशन
बुझिन मैले. So I'll solve it. Find the value of p भन्दैछ when if x minus 2 is a factor. So if x minus 2 is a factor, then when x equal to 2, remainder is 0, right? Because x minus 2 will be equal to 0, x will be equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, there will be no remainder. So the next step will be when x equal to 2. So what is the expression? So let's assume fx equal to 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. So f of 2 will be equal to 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square minus 2p minus 2, which will be equal to 0. Okay, so where was I? So I was here. So this thing will be 0 according to the question. So 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, minus 2 to the 4, minus 2p, minus 2 equal to 0. So take all the non-p terms to the other side. I mean, keep it here, take the p to the other side. So 2p will be equal to 8 to the 16. I took 2p to the other side. So 8 to the 16 minus 4 minus 2. So 2p will be equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So p equal to 5. So our answer should be p equal to 5. Yes, p equal to 5.
Got it, okay.
Okay. So when we put this in the equation, it is 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. And this is completely being divided by x minus 2. X minus 2. So it is 2x square into 2 into x is 2x cube minus 4x square. So this will be 0. This will be positive. This will be 3x square. Bring minus 5x down. So multiply this with 3x. 3x, you get 3x square minus 6x. So this will be 0 again. This will be positive, positive and negative. So plus and minus will be x minus 2. Bring the negative down. So x minus 2 ones are x minus 2 is 0. So the expression that you get is x minus 2 into 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So now you need to middle term break this thing. So it's very simple. Simple question. So x minus 2. So what was that expression? X minus 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 plus 3x plus 1. So just middle term break. So that is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 1. So 2x plus 1 is 3x and 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So this is x plus 2. 2x. 2x is common. X plus 1 plus 1. So this is x. X plus 1. So again x plus 1 is common. So this is our answer. So everyone got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. So I think this chapter is clear, right? I don't think I'll need to like keep a doubt clearing class for this chapter. I don't think I need, right? This chapter is over.
X plus 2 or it's x minus 2.
Okay, yeah, it's x minus 2. So I just changed the sign midway. My bad. So this is x minus 2. X minus 2, x plus 1, 2x plus 1. So this should be, this is the final answer. This is the end of the chapter as well.